best. Lay down.
Tom, oh my God.
Lay down, Thomas. Lay down. It's not going to. Lay down, Thomas. Lay down. Roll towards the glass. Roll towards the glass.
No, they're gonna get out.
They're not going to get out. Come over here and lay down.
Why does he like it laying down?
Because he's a prey item, clearly. Hold this. Hold this. Thomas, roll towards the glass. That is cool. Come over here, Thomas. Come over here.
I don't like this.
Roll on the ground. Roll on the ground.
No, they're gonna break the glass, Tom.
Roll towards the glass.
It's gonna break the glass.
It wants to eat you. It can't. It can't. Don't worry. Roll on the ground. Roll on the ground. Roll on the ground. Act like you're hurt. Roll towards the glass.
Where's the broke glass?
Haley, that's like 3 inches thick. Roll. Roll. Roll on the ground. Roll around. Go closer to the glass. Oh, now run away. Run away. Run away. Run, 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 run. Now run back, run back. Run back, Thomas. Run back.
Not safe.
Now go back to the glass. Go back to the glass. Go back over by the glass. Lay on the ground. Lay on the ground. No, over here, over here, over here. Lay on the ground. Do it again, do it again. Whoa, here goes. Whoa. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Lay down, lay down.
Stop! No more!
How is this not funny?
It's terrifying. What if they broke the glass?
All right, say bye to the kitty.
Oh my.
Say hi, kitty, kitty.
Jack, look behind you.